Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite cat pep channel quantifiers. My name is Sahil Arora. I hope you all are doing well. All right. Uh, as cat is coming closer, your anxiety levels might be rising up. All right, and just to assure you guys that we have a lots of things in the plate for you guys. There are free mini mocks every day. Free VA Google form test that we are starting today. Right, the day this video is launched, we are starting these today, and you can get the links to all of these things right in your inbox just by filling the Google form. So there is one Google form in the description. You can just fill that and you can get all the relevant information in that form. All right. And also you can just join our Telegram channel to stay updated, just in case you don't want to miss on any links. There is one channel where we post all the videos, all the questions, all the important links. And also please do join our Facebook group to stay updated. Right. So these are some of the links that are given in the description and you must join. Our last batch has just started and you have just 3 more days to enroll in that. If you want to get course from us, yes, please, you're more than welcome. Now, this is our question of the day, a very interesting one. It says the length of the sides of triangle AB, BC, and CA, this smaller triangle, 7, 10, and 12. AB, BC, CA, 7, 10, and 12. So this is 7, this is 10, this is 12. All right, 7, 10, and 12. All right. Now, further they say that AF is extended to, sorry, AC is extended to F this way and that way. All right. And they are giving us some other information, that being BE is 20 centimeters. So this complete BE is 20 centimeter. All right. AD is 28. This AD 28. All right. And CF is 36. So this complete CF 36. All right. Now, what is the ratio of area of triangle ABC to that of DEF? So the ratio of this triangle to this complete triangle. This is the comparison we are asked for. All right. Now we need to understand an important thing here, that we are just given this dimensions of this triangle. By, let us say, Heron's formula, we might find these the area. Right. इसका area चाहे हमारा निकल जाएगा. Then to find the area of the triangle that is outside, I have this complete line 28, let's say this complete line 20 and this complete line 36, but I do not have any outer dimensions. All right. For some of the formulas of area related to sides, one of the formula is area of triangle is equal to half AB sin theta. This is one of the formula, right? अगर मेरे पास ये triangle है, this side is A, this is B, and the angle between them is theta, then the area can be founded by half AB sin theta. All right. Similarly, if this side is C and this angle is theta dash, the formula can be modified to half BC sin theta dash. All right. Now just think on these lines that I might be able to find these areas, and what else do I know? See, if this complete length is 20 and this BC is 10, which means CE will be 10. All right. This complete is 36. This is 10, 10. So this must be 24. This complete is 28. This is 7. So this must be 21. All right. Now, if you see, if I leave the smaller triangle, I know this length. This length. So these two lengths are known. Similarly, if I talk about this triangle, this length and this length are known. Right. If I talk about the third triangle, this length and this length are known. So if I know these area, these thetas, my life will be sorted, right? Because I'll be able to apply half AB sin theta. But I do not know those angles, right? But what do I know? I can I relate them with something? How? Let's see. Let's try to find one area and let's try to relate it with everything else. How can you define area of triangle ABC? in the first go in a very simpler form. Area of triangle ABC is equal to half into BC into CA into sine theta. Let's say now I am assuming this to be theta, right? BC into CA into sine theta. So it would be nothing but half into, what is BC? 10. What is CA? 12. And sine is the angle between them. So the area is nothing but 60 sine theta. So the area is nothing but 60 sine theta. Now just think that if this is theta, what other angle you can find? Can I say this would be 180 minus theta, linear pair, right? Theta and 180 minus theta. So what will be the area of triangle FCE? Area triangle FCE is equal to half into, now I have this angle, so I am using the lines, half into FC into CE. FC is 36 and CE is 10, and sine of 180 minus theta. What is sine of 180 minus theta? Sine of 180 minus theta is sine theta only. All right, sine of 180 minus theta is sine theta only, so that is not an issue, right? So this is, again, I can write it as 180 sine theta. All right, which means, now understand, which means that if this area is x, the area of the inside triangle ABC is x, this is 3 times, which means 3x. I cannot find the exact value because the idea is not known, the angle is not known, but I can find the relation that it is 3 times, right? So x and 3x. Now on the similar line, let's use the other line segments and try to find the answer. Now I will just do some little alterations, that half into BC into BA sine theta, right? Now let us assume this angle to be theta, half into BC into BA sine theta. This is also you will find the area of this triangle. So half into 10 into 7 into sine theta. Now this is theta, then this is also, this is 180 minus theta. All right, this angle, all right, this angle is 180 minus theta. Now what will be the area of this triangle? Half into this line 21 into this complete line 20, sine of 180 minus theta, that is again sine theta. So that would be 210 sine theta. It was 35 sine theta, which means it is 6 times. It is 6 times. So if this is x, this will become 6x. Now this is also sorted. Now let me just try to find the last piece of the puzzle and my answer will be sorted. Now let me use, instead of BA, with BA, I will use AC. Right, with BA, I will use AC. All right, so half into 7 into 12 sine theta. Now I am assuming this angle to be theta. Right, if this is theta, then this is 180 minus theta, right? (42 sine theta). All right, now what is the triangle DAF? Area triangle DAF would be half into DA into AF into sine of 180 minus theta. So that would be half into, this is 28 and that is 24, into sine of 180 minus theta. That is 336 sine theta. So 42 into 8. So that is 8x. So if this is x, this is 8x. All right. Now see how easier my question will become. Area of triangle ABC to the area of triangle DEF. Area of triangle ABC is X. Area of triangle DEF, the complete is the inside triangle, that is X part plus 6X plus 3X plus 8X. 8, 6, 14, 71 into 8. So X ratio 18X, or I can say 1 is to 18. Right? The exact value will depend upon the theta, but overall I can get the ratios of these two triangles in this way. Right? So I can also find the exact value if I had to, because 7, 10, 12 will give me the area during the using the Heron's formula, and I can find the rest of the areas. All right. So this completes my question of the day. I hope you all enjoyed it. Right, there is a complete playlist on question of the day and set of the day. There are more than 200 DILR sets available out there on our channel. Please do explore. I hope you are the next one. All right. Bye bye, guys. Take care.